Welcome to our guide on how to see who shared your post on Instagram. Let's explore the ins and outs of this exciting feature. Instagram allows users to share posts with their followers, but understanding who exactly is sharing your content can be quite complex. Your privacy settings significantly impact what information can be shared and seen. Let's dive into these limitations. To access shared post data, we need to navigate to your Instagram Insights. Here's how. Follow these steps carefully to find the data on who shared your posts. Once you have the data, it's crucial to know how to interpret it. Let's break this down. While Instagram provides basic insights, third-party apps can offer additional perspectives. Here are the pros and cons. To make sure that your posts get shared more, here are some tips to enhance engagement. In summary, knowing who shares your content can greatly improve your Instagram strategy. Let's recap what we've covered. Don't forget to experiment with these insights on your own posts. Happy sharing!